Yesterday we were in the hot tub. It was a group of people who were awesome, and we were playing What's in Whose Vortex. And we were talking about what's in our vortex, and we were sitting in a circle, and we were swirling the water after each person's in, woo, and kind of shooting it up there. And I kind of found myself talking about something that was
Did
in
you
my
all feel a
vortex.
disturbance in the force about that time?
The ship was doing some of this, and it was so much fun to share in those experiences with each person. And I noticed inside me something that I said about something that was in my vortex, and I just kind of noticed how I felt about it. And I noticed what you're speaking to, that I had some doubt about it.
The reason that we're having fun with you a little bit is because there are some positive aspects in getting together with a group, especially when you're having a wonderful time and playing a game like that. There are positive aspects. There can be some disadvantages also, in the sense that you may begin to hype things. You may begin to say things that you're not feeling. And in doing so, practice the vibration that you are feeling instead of the emotion that you mean to feel.
Uh-huh.
You're following us a little
Yeah.
bit?
Mm-hmm.
If there is one thing that we are most interested in, you all leaving this voyage having come to a complete understanding of, it is that the universe is responding to your vibration, not to your words. The universe is responding to the way you feel. Say that better. The universe is responding to your vibration, which is indicated by the way you feel, not by your words. And so that's why most of this work is really personal, meditation when you're on your own, the thoughts that are going on in your mind, the things that go on day to day to day, just the way you are approaching life, just the attitude with which you approach things. In other words, if you're in a hurry and you drop something, is it disturbing to you that you've dropped it, or do you laugh about it? In other words, little things like that are the way you tune your vibration into alignment with who your inner being is. Because your inner being feels this way. There's nothing ever serious going on here. There's nothing serious going on. It's all for surprise and delight and exhilaration. The expansion is natural. There is nothing about proving yourself to anyone. There's nothing about proving worthiness to anyone. There's nothing about fixing something that's broken. There's never anything about undoing anything. There's nothing about reclamation. There's no moving back. There's no regression. There's no undoing. There's no forgiveness. There's no need for forgiveness from an inner being who has never condemned to begin with. There's only love and expectation and well-being, you see. It's all light, and it's all happy, and it's all worthy, and it's all whole. It's not serious. It's not hard work. It's not struggle. It's not effort. It's tuning. It's soft tuning. It's subtle tuning. It's not dramatic tuning. It's not big stuff. It's little stuff. It's little stuff, moment by moment. It's just making a better feeling choice now, and a better feeling choice now, and a better feeling choice now. And before you know it, you're feeling so very good. And your vortex is turning to things and turning to things and turning to things. And your evidence of your vibrational accomplishment is all around you all the time. You just feel free and breezy and light and easy and fun and full and interested and eager. That is your normal state of being, you see. And so meditate, for God's sakes. Tune yourself to these subtle frequencies, and then just get out into your experience and lean in the direction of your desires. And in 2 or 3 days of this, you will feel any time that you're leaning in the direction of your doubts or leaning in the direction of beliefs that are hindering you. You'll just feel it, you see. Enough?
Yes, I am so excited because leading edge conversation was in my vortex.
Well, we certainly had one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
So good.